Okay, fuel your passion with Raji. So, I am so passionate about my dog. So, he's with me last 13 years and his name is Nick. So, today, 15th February 2023, looking at the garden. I know it's a little bit cold outside. We are in California, we are in Tracy. So, we are a little bit extreme weather here compared to California, a little bit extreme. So, a little bit cold now. But still, I'm really, running late on fertilizing these fruits. And look at the vegetable patch. Everything needs to be done big way. So I will take small step at a time and show you. First, let me introduce some guys here. My favorite fruit trees. So this one is called jujube. So you can see the jujube is like all like standing like this. We need to fertilize it. The fertilizer I am going to use this one for now. Thanks to Bini helped me like with all this. So then you can see some other fruit trees here. This is persimmon. This is how it looks like right now. I quickly show you. This is some avocados, never like fruit or anything. So behind that you can see some raspberries. Then there you can see a that is my one of the what's called donut peach. Then this is like our sugar cane. Then this is like plum. We have two apples here, so slowly coming. So this is the one apple tree here. Then this is a peach tree here. You can see, I think. So we are going to see after 6 months we see that we can see the difference. Apples are like slowly blooming. So time is already late to fertilize those. These are called some American daisies are here. Then here again some peaches. I think some peaches. Yeah. Then there is a cherry here. This is a cherry tree here, and I can just end up with I can show everything actually. Yeah. So these are all our last year's like passion fruit. Passion fruit is completely tons of passion fruit in this. It's started like it started like ripening now. So you can see the whole. This is just one passion fruit, okay? And this is like a what is this called a jamun tree. Jamun tree I'm popping like this here. This is going to give some fruits. Then this is like guava. There is another guava there. Then this is like a berry area. This is okay. This is pomegranate. So that is berry. Then this is our what is it called? Jujube. No, not jujube. We call it. I forgot the name. So you know this name. Okay, whatever it is, that's it. Then the other side we have some oranges, nectarine, and all those things. Anyway, let us focus on this side. So what I'm going to do today is going to give these guys. Other things I'll show you later. I'm going to give these guys some fertilizers. Okay. So we need to fertilize all these guys. At least this one side. Okay. Then about vegetables and all vegetable patches here, I will talk more about that later. Okay, let me focus completely on the fruit trees today. So the idea is like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, at least 10 fruit tree, just to give them the fertilizers. Okay, so what fertilizer I'm giving? I'm going to give this one, Dr. Earth organic fertilizer for today. Okay, say bye, Niku. Bye. Okay.